These easy cinnamon rolls made in a muffin pan are so soft and fluffy, and those light and spongy strips of bread are glued together by that sticky caramelized sugar, and they smells amazing with that comforting aroma of cinnamon. And they are not only delicious but also easy to make. And one more thing that you will love about this recipe is that we can make these beautiful cinnamon rolls in less than 2 hours. And in this video, let's see how to make them in 5 simple steps. So as the first step, let's prepare our dough. Into a bowl, add in water, then sugar, salt, and yeast, and give it a good stir so that all the ingredients get dissolved in water. And now add in butter. Here I've used very soft butter so that it's easy to blend. And now add in the flour and combine them together to form a shaggy mass of dough. Now let's transfer the dough onto a clean work surface, and we need to knead the dough. We can knead the dough using a stand mixer or using our hands. And after kneading for a minute, you may find the dough to be very sticky, and at this point we may get tempted to add more flour into this, but don't do that. Just continue to knead for 8 to 10 minutes and you will see the texture of our dough changes, and it will be more smooth and less sticky. So our final dough should be soft and smooth and elastic, and you can see it is still showing a tendency to stick on to the surface and onto the fingers. And now we need to prepare the filling for our cinnamon rolls. So cover the dough with a ball so that it will not get dry, and keep it aside for 10 minutes. And now let's make the filling. Add in the butter and the soft brown sugar and combine them together. And we need to add the cinnamon powder and combine until we get a smooth mixture. Now let's take our dough and place it on a well-floured work surface. And now we need to shape our bread dough. So roll the dough to form a thin rectangle of approximately 18 inches in length and 15 inches in breadth. And at this step of rolling the dough, we need to make sure that our work surface is well dusted with flour. Otherwise, there are chances that the dough will stick to the surface. And now spread the filling on top of dough. And flip the bottom 1/3 upwards and the top 1/3 downwards. And now let's divide the rectangle into 12 equal strips. Then take each strip and cut twice down the length to make 3 strands. And then braid them. Pinch the end and then just roll it up to form our cinnamon rolls. The shaping of these rolls may seem complicated, but it's so fun and easy shaping them and rolling these cinnamon rolls. And place the seam side down onto a greased muffin pan or onto a non-stick pan. And now our rolls are all ready for the proofing. So wrap it loosely with a plastic film so that they have enough space to rise and puff up. And let them sit and rise for 60 to 70 minutes. And after 1 hour, our cinnamon rolls have risen beautifully and they are ready to go into the oven. So place them onto a 375 Fahrenheit preheated oven, and immediately after closing the door, reduce the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. And after baking, we'll get beautifully caramelized golden brown cinnamon rolls. These cinnamon rolls have a light crunchy top and the inside is so soft, and I love how beautiful they look, and that sticky caramel and that subtle aroma of cinnamon and that light and fluffy bread inside. And thank you my friend Renchita for inspiring me to make this video. And it's so good that we can make them easily, and that if we plan to make these cinnamon rolls, they are ready in less than 2 hours. And we can top them with powdered sugar or with some sugar syrup or with any of your favorite frosting. And these cinnamon rolls are best when they are fresh and warm out of the oven. And if there are any leftovers, we can freeze them as well, and they will come out so soft and as if they were freshly baked when reheated. And the details about storing these rolls, freezing and reheating, and also about how to make the glaze and frosting are written in the blog post. And the link to the blog post is given in the description box below and in the iCard above. You can check it out. And I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you will make this at home, and I hope your whole family will love it. And if you like this video, please give your valuable thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who love cinnamon rolls. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.